Hello everyone, this is Radha from the team StudyVertex AI. So this is StudyBuddy AI, our submission for the Global AI Hackathon Series with the Qwen Cloud under the MemoryAgent track. So there are many AIs present, right? So why we have to choose a StudyBuddy from them? Most AI study assistants forget everything after each conversation, focusing students to repeat their goals and learning preferences. But StudyBuddy AI solves this problem through persistent memory. StudyBuddy AI remembers previous conversations, learning goals, weak subjects, and study history. Powered by Qwen, it delivers personalized tutoring that improves with every interaction. This is the main dashboard. So this is the study calendar and this is the subjects. So you can see here, this is the notes where you can upload the files present here. Yeah, like this we have to upload. And next is the quiz. So you can type the topic name and here you can give the description, difficulty like medium, easy, hard, and domain, which domain. So question, number of questions, and here generate comprehensive questions. And next is the process. So you can see the process, previous week process, previous month process. So everything will be listed here. And here is the leaderboard. So you can compete among your friends and achievements. So based on the previous weeks, there will be achievements given. And Paradomo page, there we can present like 25 minutes like that and all. And here you can see the settings page. So these are things are present here. And the main thing is, unlike traditional AI assistants, StudyBuddy AI remembers previous conversation, allowing learning to continue naturally across multiple sessions. So that's the reason why we have chosen our topic as MemoryAgent. StudyBuddy AI combines responsive front-end, Python backend, persistent memory layer, Qwen, and Alibaba Cloud deployment. So we have used Alibaba Cloud as for deployment. This application is designed for deployment on Alibaba Cloud. Final production deployment will be completed using the official Hackathon Cloud credits, and the link in the description are given. You can go and check out the GitHub and the website, the blog, and everything are mentioned in the description. StudyBuddy AI demonstrates how persistent memory can transform AI from temporary chatbot into a lifelong learning combination. And thank you so much for watching.